Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the
Tinanong
sky
ko ng
in a
itlog ng
fire
dalawang
glow.
hindi yan eh.
Mountains
Walang
rise
similya.
up, touching clouds above.
Kaya nilipat ko na lang dito sila sa bagong lugar para sa kasama sila.
On this road, every season's a delight.
Tuloy sa kanil Idol Dimac.
Day to night,
Champion yan guys.
nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with
Hindi
energy
nakakabuo ng
so
ano
bright.
to, inakay.
Neon signs flashing in the depths of night.
Pumayat to kasi ano, napilay. Ilang araw din na nung umuwi ako.
As we pass
Muntik
by,
na mamatay.
dreams fly
Pero ngayon,
high.
bumabawi na
No
siya.
maps, no plans, just
Ganda
an
na yung
open
katawan niya.
road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Inside each sound, a memory
Ito
to
si
keep.
Siga.
In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every
Isa.
scene's a delight.
Isa natin, nagala si Tim.
Starlight,
Pinakula ko kanina.
nature's canvas.
Alright, peace out guys.
so grand. In this journey, we're